you have 30 days for CA Foundation and you really want to convert your panic into score, then stay with me. For next 10 minutes, I am going to give you a step-by-step 30 days plan which student uses for finishing their syllabus, revising their syllabus, and to score more. If you really want to study, then let's start. 30 days is enough if you plan smart. You have to prioritize your subject, chapters, active revisions, and basically timed mock. Basically, you have to focus on three basic principles. First is focus. A block of 2 hours every time, which creates a focus. Second is your cycle. Rotate your subject to in order to avoid burnout. And third is practice, regular mocks. So I have divided your plan, 30 days plan, into 4 weeks. First and second week is all about how you are going to finish your syllabus properly. But at the same time, third and fourth week, which is very important week, wherein you are going to revise and practice it regularly. So don't miss the plan which is required to be followed for the third and fourth week. Okay, so if let's start with how we have to proceed. So let's start how we will be doing all the 4 subjects in 4 weeks. Okay, so basically as you are all aware, एक आपका 2 सब्जेक्ट आपके डिस्क्रिप्टिव है and 2 सब्जेक्ट आपके ऑब्जेक्टिव है. So basically accounts and law are 2 subjects where you have to concentrate more, and maths, which is quantitative aptitudes, and your eco is objective where you can score very high marks. Okay, the combination of these 4 subjects for every student are different. Some student feel very confident in accounts but low in law, but many students feel confident in accounts, law, maths, but not in eco, and some different combinations of the liking is there. तो आप लोगों को क्या करना है, ये सब्जेक्ट को प्रॉपरली अपने अकॉर्डिंग टू डिवाइड करना है. ओके, सो like one objective and one descriptive you have to keep. So combination, like 1 week, what you can do is like 1 day to 6th day, you have to make a combination of subject accounts plus, suppose I keep eco over here because I feel accounts as a heavy subject. Okay, आपको अपने accordingly choose करना है, and 1 to 6 days तक आपको पूरे दिन you have to complete your whole syllabus of accounts and eco. See, I am giving you this plan with the assumption that you have already completed your classes, you have done, and you are aware of all the subject, what is there, chapters and weightage. Okay, and you have already done your SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis matlab what is your strength and what is your weaknesses. Okay, so 1 to 6 days, what you need to do is plan your whole day in such a way that you will be working on accounts as well as on eco. Some student might feel that eco is very easy. Okay, so आप accounts को ज़्यादा weightage दो. So 70% of your day should be devoted into accounts and 30% should be eco. आपको जो combination बनाना है आप बनाओ, लेकिन in a 6 days the planning should be in such a way that your whole 6 days you will able to complete all the chapter of accounts at the same time eco. Okay, so this is a Monday to Saturday you can plan, and the only one day, that is Sunday, you can go for a quick revision type of thing. And revision you can make it for maybe some hard topics, or maybe you practice a lot of questions to make your accounts as well as eco perfect. तो आप इसमें छोटे छोटे मॉक्स भी लिख सकते हो और या प्रैक्टिस सेशंस भी ले सकते हो. सो 1 week, 1 focus, that is to complete 2 subject thoroughly. Okay, अच्छा, इसमें एक पॉसिबिलिटी ये भी है कि आपके कुछ सब्जेक्ट में से चैप्टर्स रह जाएंगे. आउट ऑफ 10 you may be able to complete 8, 7, something like that. So you don't have to worry. The important thing is to complete 1 to 6 days, and seventh day will be a practice session. You write test, mocks, or mini mocks, or you can um, com- don't complete the rest of the topic. Basically, this seventh day is more of revision. So week one is two subject combination of objective and descriptive, and the same way here also when you start with next period, that is second week, again you have to make a combination of two subjects. That can be a law or maths. The combination you have to choose. If you feel that law is very very hard, then go with eco. And you feel, if you feel eco is very easy and I can easily make out the marks, तो आपको क्योंकि लॉ पे ज्यादा ध्यान देना है, ज्यादा लर्निंग है, तो आपको कॉम्बिनेशन अच्छा बनाना पड़ेगा. See, the pressure will be there, but you have to make your own combination. Same practice you have to do from 1 to 6 days. You have to practice, divide your chapters, prioritize your subjects in such a way that आपके 6 दिनों में अच्छे से हो जाए. Sunday will be only for, that is the seventh day should be only for practice. Checking out the previous paper, मैं क्या क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस कर सकता हूँ, कुछ चैप्टर्स जो आपको हार्ड लग रहे हैं रिवाइज कर लो, काफी सारे उसके क्वेश्चन बैंक सॉल्व कर दो. द सेवेंथ डे इज अ शॉर्ट ऑफ फटाफट रिविजन टाइप ऑफ थिंग, but don't use that 7 day for completing the rest of the topic. So here the important thing is to be consistent and focused. Now the important week, which is week 3, what you can do now. This week is very very important. Why? Because here you have already done the 4 subjects and still you may feel like मैं confident नहीं हूँ, मेरे पास अभी भी इसमें से अकाउंट्स के 2 चैप्टर पेंडिंग हैं, लॉ के 3 चैप्टर पेंडिंग है, मैथ्स के पेंडिंग है, and you will be like a bit confused. So don't panic. Here is your mindset works. Now 1 to whole 7 days you should plan in such a way that all the pending topics should be given equal weightage. That suppose in case you have total 10 topics pending, okay, in total 10 topics pending or 8 topics, so daily 1 topic complete करने की कोशिश करो, एक half completion पे लगा दो, and maybe 2 topics in a day. That you have to decide that 7 days आपने वो पूरा complete किया, लेकिन the first half you are able to complete that topic, इसको 2 half में divide कर. The whole day should be in 2 halves. Like first part, आपका first half जो होगा दिन का, that should be focused. और maybe वो पार्ट दिन का जहां पर आप बहुत एक्टिव रहते हो, तो वहां पर आप बेसिकली कोशिश करो कि लर्निंग पार्ट में जाओ टू कंप्लीट योर पेंडिंग टॉपिक्स. So second half little bit dull, where there you go ahead and revise and revise those topics which you have already covered in week 1 and week 2. But planning is very much important. ऐसे ही उठा के मत टॉपिक को रिवाइज करो. मेक अ प्लान कि मैं सेकेंड हाफ को डेली 3 टॉपिक्स रिवाइज करूंगा, 3 to 4 टॉपिक्स. So that plan should be ready, and that only for revision. Again, the revision what you can do over here is practice a lot of PYQs, MTPs, RTPs. ये प्रैक्टिस करो, मॉड्यूल उसको प्रैक्टिस करो. So ये वीक को पूरा का पूरा मिक्सचर बना दो of all the 4 subjects. Why? Because आप मिक्स पढ़ो लेकिन प्लान्ड वे से पढ़ो, डे वाइज प्लान बना के पढ़ो. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज 4th वीक. एंड 4th वीक जो जनरली स्टूडेंट नहीं करते हैं वो आपको करना है. व्हाट इज ऑल अबाउट द 4th वीक इज प्रैक्टिस मॉक्स. डेली आप 2 मॉक लिखो. Like I will recommend to write 3 to 4 mocks in a day, because see आराम से आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव तो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. 2 मॉक्स के लिए यू हैव टू सेट 3 hours. ओके, सो डेली अगर आप मॉक्स लिखते हो, 3 मॉक भी लिखते हो, दैट इज गुड, बट द स्टूडेंट अवॉइड दिस. बट आई सजेस्ट यू कि आप जितना मॉक लिखोगे, आप you will be in the like rehearsal stage, and you where in you will able to practice. और अपना पैनिक जो होता है, एग्जाम पैनिक, वो आपके में से चला जाएगा, and you will feel like a more of rehearsal, and then final attempt आप दे पाओगे. So this is how you can go for 4th week. And 4th week जनरली स्टूडेंट पैनिक होते हैं, वहीं आपको अपने पे विक्ट्री पानी है, एंड देन हियर यू हैव टू वर्क मोर ऑन मॉक्स. लाइक मेक इट अ रूल, 3 मॉक लिखना ही है. हाउ यू कैन राइट? मॉर्निंग, एक मॉर्निंग स्लॉट, एक आफ्टरनून स्लॉट, एक इवनिंग स्लॉट. इन बिटवीन इफ यू विल गेट टाइम, रिवाइज एनी टॉपिक और एनालाइज योर मॉक योरसेल्फ. ओके, सो 3 मॉक्स. अगर आपसे 3 नहीं हो पा रहे, एटलीस्ट 2 मॉक लिखो. वन मॉर्निंग में लिखो और सेकेंड आप इवनिंग में लिखो. ठीक है. एंड ड्यूरिंग होल डे आप अपने गलतियों पे मतलब यू हैव टू एनालाइज योर मिस्टेक्स, यू हैव टू एनालाइज योर मॉक, एंड देन आपको फिर भी लग रहा है कोई चैप्टर लाइक कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है, आप उस पर वर्क करो. तो दिस 30 days you can plan smartly and you will be able to crack the this exam. So it is, dear students, marks are built by methods and not panic. So build your own method and follow it consistently. If you really found this video very useful, so do subscribe for more CA related strategies, and don't forget to share this video with those friends जो अभी भी परेशान है कि हम 30 days में CA फाउंडेशन कैसे करें. See you in the next video. Bye.